Good morning folks, welcome back to my channel. And right now we are on Gandhidham Bhuj highway, and yes, that's an RD 350. We are chasing it for like 5 minutes or something as such, and that seems to be one of my friend Anis, who is from Bhuj. He was restoring an RD. Let's see what's the story right now. I guess most of the parts are restored. Still, it seems a little odd. The headlights seem a little too biggish for an RD 350, and carbs doesn't really seem to be from this particular bike. Else, this would have been a road rocket, and a proper one at that.
मस्त लग रही है यार। हाँ चलो चलो हाँ अंदर जाता रहो अंदर। वही तो बराबर है। ये भी एक हेडलैम्प ले लेना। हाँ यार बहुत छोटा रहता है गाड़ी। ये कारपेंटर से गाड़ी है, चलती नहीं है क्या? भागती नहीं होगी। नहीं इतनी नहीं भागती। अभी क्या क्या लाना रह गया? क्या लाना रह गया?
Oh boy, it still needs a lot of work. One thing is there about classics. You won't really be getting parts, exact spare parts for them, and whatever you are going to improvise those parts from, it may be apt, it may not be. So you have to choose wisely. In this case, except for the headlamps, everything was okay. However, the carb was another issue, as this guy is using the Bullet's carburetor, and that's not really giving him, that kind of performance that RD deserves or it's known for.